I'll explain the maintenance procedure of the lube oil pump. Firstly, disconnect the suction pipe from the lube oil pump and then remove the pump. Remove the pump driver gear, cover, and pump gear from the detached pump of lube oil. After disassembly, check the parts. Firstly, check for abnormal contact or abrasions on the teeth surfaces of the pump gear. Check for flaws and seizure on the side of the pump gear. Check for seizure and abnormal abrasions on the pump gear shaft and gear bush. Check for the contact of drive gear. Reassemble the lube oil pump in reverse order for disassembly.